Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine. I also hope that you are taking care of yourselves, your health, you are washing your hands properly, using sanitizers. And one more thing, as you know, we are suffering from a deadly pandemic disease, COVID 19. So you are supposed to stay at home, so then only you will remain safe. And for today's what's new for today's class? Today we are again back with another important topic, the usage of is, am, and are in sentences. So I welcome you all once again. So let's start our today's topic, usage of is, am, and are. So, students, let us first start with usage of is. Saying it in English, the correct statement is, or rather, we can say the correct statement will be she is Indian or she is Indian. And we write she is in the form of she's. C apostrophe S. So, and the incorrect statement will be she am Indian. In simple present tense, am is used with only I. I is the first person and singular, so we use am with I. For second person singular, you we use are. Once again, I repeat it. For second person singular, you, we use are. One important note is there. You is used for both singular and plural. So we always use only are with it. That means, in short, you will use are with you or you are. Is it is never used with you. So now let us come to our next part. Coming to the third person pronouns in simple present tense for singular third person pronouns. They are he, she, and it. These are third person pronouns, and we use is for them. In simple present tense, for plural third person, they, we use are. So for plural third person, we use they, we use are. They are. Once again, I am repeating it. The third person pronouns such as he, she, and it, we use is. That means we write he is, she is, it is. Alright? And in simple present tense for plural third person, they, we use are. That means we will write they are. Okay? Now let us come to our next part, am, usage of am. So saying it in English, if I say I speak English, that is correct. But if I say I am speak English, that is incorrect. I am speak English is incorrect English. In simple present tense, we do not need to add is, am, or are before the main verb. Here the main verb is speak. Okay. Next is your usage of are. Saying it in English, they are from America is the correct statement. But if we say they is from America, that is an incorrect statement. So are is used with second person, singular or plural, and with first and third person, plural nouns and pronouns. We or they. Correct? Usage of are, once again I am repeating it, it is used with second person, singular or plural, and with first person and third person, plural nouns and pronouns such as we or they. Alright, now they speak English, they are speaking English. Among them, these two sentences, the first one is correct because we will say they speak English, and they are speak English is an incorrect usage of this word are. Alright, so for better understanding of this particular three things, is, am and are, I have provided you with a chart so that you can understand this properly. So let's see this chart. See, use of is, am, are. So I is used with am, you with are, and am with, suppose if I make sentence, I am a boy, I am a girl. For you are a boy, you are a girl. And for others, that means for he, she and it, we use that. For he, she, it are, as you know, they are what? They are your singular third person pronouns. So for he, we use he, she and it, we use is. And for we and they, for the multiple, we use are. So we are, they are. Okay, for understanding this chart, I have also provided with you with a worksheet. You have to do this worksheet in the classwork copy, and you will also do it in the HW copy also. Let's start it. Complete each sentences with the word am, is or are. First sentence, as you can see, Tom dash watering the flowers in his garden. So what should we write here? We will use is. So Tom is watering the flowers in his garden. Let's come to the next sentence. The books dash new. As you know, the books is the plural of book. So we will use are. The books are new. Next sentence you can say, there dash hot coffee in the cup. What should we write here? There is hot coffee in the cup. I dash writing a story at my desk. So what should we write here in the blank? I am writing a story at my desk. The bread and knife dash on the table. The bread and knife are on the table. The bottle dash full of milk. The bottle is full of milk. Next sentence is, I dash taking my brother to the park. I am taking my brother to the park. So this is how we will do this practice worksheet. Okay. So your today's assignment is, we will learn and complete this worksheet given in the video in your CW copy as well as in HW copy. So far we have completed the use of has and have, as well as the usage of is, am, and are in the sentences. So, in our next class, we will do these things in our practice book. Alright, till then, you learn these things and we will meet in our next class. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.